Yo abusuafo ene de so makwa ba ereba Kenwood Sports ewo YouTube, Kenwood Sports TikTok. Abusua wo second video bia na wa subscribe, wa share, wa like, na the comment aba, you be reply. As when necessary reply na enwoma nyina akoyie e de ama nyina. Ese ye kan fabulous anu wa so the best. Kumasi Asante Kotoko be yie. Kotoko must be great again. Abusuafo makwa ba me say this time no yɛbɔ ɛsan ɛbɔ awura ɛyɛ Korobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛyɛ pre-season no eguso a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Fantabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ɛyɛ a players ne nyinaa de ahomkeka anigyeɛ ne ahoɔden ɛde di dwuma sɛ nneɛma nyinaa ɛbɛkɔ yie ɛde ama ɛyɛ Korobea Mɛtɛma Asante Kotoko. Na abusuafo asɛm baako a meka ne sɛ woyɛ Kotoko supporter, woyɛ Kotoko fan, ahomkeka ne anigyeɛ ne ahoɔden a yɛde support team na sɛ di team n'akyi ye pre-season so baby a team no bɛkɔ bia no be make sure be information and their players ne ɛkɔ so nyina no abusuafo ma de srɛde sɛ ye start league no so a sɛ league no nya start a yɛmfa saa ahokeka no ne anigye no yɛmfa support team no yɛnkɔ stadium yɛnkɔ support team no because players no hu supporters no moral ne anigye a ɔmo support team no ɔmo so ahoɔden biara sɛ deɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ biara on the babo modern dia si akan e wo league no mu on ba ho on modern nti we supporter we fan me srese se league no start a mo yemfa saa ho keka no yemfa nko support team no be biara a eye on ba kwa na so be si akan madam ase se matie no asopam e de ama me abusuafo yensem re no ye kɔ yensem so e wo Kotoko asoeyem abusuafo mbempran ye kasa yi Kotoko eguso e search anase omo players aba air club no mu no omo abeka the rest of players no na ya prepare omo for next season nti Kotoko eguso a omo search anase omo guso a omo pe good quality players a omo baba beka available players na na omo prepare omo for next season and year 29th league no so statistic team so we have barely a month any days kakra na Ghana Premier League no a start nti sɛ we club na wo bibia o sɛ ni mu ya we intentem sɛ players na obesan a o sɛ we intentem na omutumi ebeka players na coach no etumi start implementing the plans for league na bɛbɔ na sɛ the plans for players available no no so etumi atoto no nyoma nyina sɛ na start league na nyoma ebekɔ yie ade ama nyina ehwɛ aduana ehwɛ mediama a omo aduanim yie pa omo ye signings bebree nti no ye hwɛ sɛ every near next week no Kotoko so ebe start aye signings na enwoma yi akɔyie ade ama ye Korobea Mɛtɛma Asante Kotoko abusuafo ye kɔ Kotoko akyire hɔ a Kotoko akyire hɔ ye right back no Kotoko ewo players ewo right back wɔ Lord Amoa ene Shaibu Abubakar ene Kote yɛkɔ right back wa players a available no na yɛbɛka a Lord Amoa ene Abubakar Shaibu Abubakar enya ACL injury during last season in a later part no montumi nsi akan amfa ama Korobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti na Kote na egyina hɔ a esi akan ede ema Korobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko initially ne yɛka sɛ Kote esu be free club no but Kote akan 1 year contract with Korobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko and still he is part of Kotoko team now omo ye pre-season ho nti yɛbɔ mpa sɛ Lord Amoa ne Shaibu Abubakar so ho beto mo na wabɛka Kote ho na nneɛma nyina akɔyie ede ama Korobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko yɛkɔ left back wa left back one so no de Kotoko any problem left back but baby a problem sisi a Kotoko team no currently center backs center backs yɛhwɛ center backs from goalkeeping department no goalkeeper number 1 Kamara sisi a no oni club no biom we free club no mu ɛkɔ ɛna yɛhwɛ Ablo so during the season no ono so yɛpamo no nti Ablo is also not part of Kotoko team ni sisi a Samba also sign 2-year contract Korobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko ono so season no after last season no the contract no abawie a Samba enso anything biom na Henry Kwame Ansu no so center back at the Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ono so no contract no run out mo no so he's no more part of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko this time Intino Kotoko atumi alusu 3 proper center backs 3 starters was center backs so including goalkeeper Kamara. It is the goalkeeper na Kahua Kotoko elusu 4 starters and no more Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko center backs on. Until this time Kotoko any prepare say position a omo adwum so be hyem kena and I say currently and I say animanim yom players e be hye center backs goalkeeping department ɛhɔ na Kotoko ani abre yie papa sa omo bo omo de say obenya players na omo abɛhyɛ hɔ de ama Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko na mprempren amene mo ka say de 2 players center backs local players na Kotoko any edi omo achi yie papa Garba Faisal Garba ono say nkomodie eguso a ekoso between Kerala United and Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko so mbenya Faisal Garba na wobetumi ebegina akire won watwa wadre edi ama Krobia Kumasi Metema Asante Kotoko efri Garba aso de batuma nim say there's one player ono so ono Kotoko training sisi a yefen Asante ono so Asante Boahen ono so no si akan the Man Nations FC ono so currently ono Kotoko training na manfo bebusa say other Nation FC player ene Kotoko training sisi a na the woman say Asante Boahen contract with Nation FC no aba na wiye Asante Boahen contract with Nation FC aba na wiye until currently or a free agent until na the management edna aba Krobia say on part of a pre-season na coach Eric Tinkler together with a sporting director Stanley Menzo monitor no na omo say he's fit and I say a perfect replacement obetumi ebesi akan edi ama Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko na Asante Boahen na ye kana asemi ye won on the 10th March 2003 so he's 23 years nti who say ni age no pa say obetumi asi akan edi ama Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko and there's one defender Kotoko ebepeso mbenya no ono so ye ofri outside ono so Kotoko hwe say obetumi ebesi akan edi ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko the debatuma nim earlier say there's 2 Congolese players currently omone Kotoko training sisi America say there's another one Burkina Bay player also a part of Kotoko prisons in here course sisi into 2 Congolese 1 Burkina Bay also abeka these players one pre-season course also take part but abusua one thing is we share the way Kotoko ensure monument the way a recruitment plan no kwana we Kotoko sign too much local players Kotoko sign e bia mo asan ya 2 and 3 bi mfa so dey 2 Kotoko asan local players be say 2 and that 2 ni na so betumi aye central defenders betumi abeboa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko most of the signings in now will come from outside and so be foreigners a goalkeeping department center back also betumi a foreigner attacks any honi in attacks no ways when you know betumi anya foreign players because Kotoko entumi because before the start of or before the end of last season and before the appointment of coach Eric Tinkler there are a lot of players yedi omudin buy say Kotoko interested in working with them and as signing them a player bi to say Kofi Tompu edin buy ba say Kotoko epeno Echedogli Edmond John Sana Sedu Rudolph Nana Mensah Ebenezer Aban Razak Simpson sa players nyina din ba Kotoko rather no so anasa wish list no so Sankom betumi assign these players but after a thorough assessment after that after the coach was given a mandate say of winning league then attention kakra shift if this players so you see am no ka say Echo Dogle etumi adjoin e Mediama Kofi Tompo so Mediama ehwe so omo sabaka na Aduana Stars so eni de eche Sana Sedu ano so betena Aduana ho Razak Simpson a travel outside Ebenezer Bano so ehwe so be a contract from outside nti these local players here ya de betu dwase Kotoko pe omo nyina no ni nyina no apaska entumi anya adwuma Kotoko ehwe so umbenya foreign players bi abehihye team no na enioma akoyie ediama ekrobia metema Asante Kotoko. Me I believe in these foreign players because there are players bi omo aba omo ye foreigners a omo ababua ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You can mention of Samba Onel. He was a top-notch player for Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You can talk of Kamara. You can talk of Frank Etuga. You can talk of Mukwela. You can talk of Yakuba. You can talk of Ahmed Toure and Fabio Gama. Omunyina ye foreigners a omuba Kotoko a omba bua Kotoko yiye papa. Nyo omunyina entirely. There are a few one or two bi omba modern one anko yi a yemo omukwa but the omomuba nyina wo hwe on average na more na ebeboa ye Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti Kotoko aya omunya foreign players na aya na eboa Kotoko yiye papa. Nti na mo hwe this time around no ombetumi enya in addition of foreign players bi abeka this local team no and I say sorry available players no mo ho no na enwoma etumi akoyie ediama Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But currently say Emmanuel Entry ane Morofin Donzo omuntumi start pre-season na all the players ni na available players ni na available a omu training ye pasa Kadauda mo Nusa Adams mo no Vichebo Bafo mo no ene Walid mo no players ni na training ye pa unse omu nyina prepare ye say season no ebeko ye e de ama Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebuso fi enim say na meka earlier say September and Ghana League no started the first match no with DBB United our way. The first match we are playing against DBB United our way. Now aya new promoted teams na aya mobile league no omo first match aya na more din yie papa DBB United omo na Kotoko ye first match our way ye nu omo bo nti sa match ne de a must win. A must because the first match they a must win for Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and the day 2 match is against House of Lions, and also your away, your home against House of Lions. I remember last season your Sunday House of Lions for a ball is that your first, your second or your third match. Until this time around, House of Lions home match day 2. Your come match day 3 your away against Samatex. Your boy away against Samatex. Match day 4 is against Adriana home. Your boy Adriana your match day 4. And then match day 5 home against Karela. Into which your 5 matches here and more than ye papa DBB United, House of Lions, FC Samatex, Adriana FC and Karela United. We say first 5 match in them and very tough the Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Your bomb pie say the Tinkerman Eric Tinkler together with Stanley Menzo the enwoma begugu akwam na enwoma nyina akoyie de ama Ekrobia metema Asante Kotoko nti ye hwe say Face Agareba any Asante Boahen together with other foreign players Kotoko ehia no enwoma nyina bekoyie de ama Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema boys na season best start no e de anigye ni osieyo de ata team nachi anase club nachi na enwoma nyina akoyie de ama Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko abusuya medam ase mo second video na wa share na wa like wo de comment aba na wa subscribe mia subscription button no so na be am the new video e bia ba wo benya notification wo tumi ahwe de ama yem Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko si wo kuma apema apem beba fabulous the best abusuya update de beba bia na yemfa kamera nyina bebrɛ mo keep watching Kingwood Sports our YouTube, your number 1 ultimate sports channel. Our YouTube. Keep watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.